Welcome to this new tutorial where we'll explore how to create stunning skyboxes using Scenario.com. Skyboxes are essential components in gaming, VR, and virtual environments, serving as immersive backdrops that define the setting and atmosphere. Scenario enables you to create stunning skyboxes quickly and efficiently, all while retaining complete creative control. As we go through this, you'll see how Scenario skyboxes feature a seamless design, no visible edges or distortions, clean geometry, a centered horizon, and smooth pole transitions. This ensures your environments look polished and professional. We'll also explore Scenario's unique workflow, which begins with generating a preview skybox that can be enhanced into a high-definition final result. And we'll showcase examples of Scenario skyboxes seamlessly imported into Unity. To get started, click on Skyboxes and then select New. Next, craft a prompt, making sure to include all the necessary details for the most complete 360 panorama. For example, instead of simply typing a sunset sky, try something like a vibrant sunset with shades of orange and pink, soft clouds drifting across the sky, and a distant mountain range. You can describe the desired style in your prompt or select from readily available options like photorealistic, stylized, cartoon, sci-fi, or fantasy if they suit your project. Settings like sampling steps and seed are available, similar to those used in image generation. Sampling steps control the number of iterations needed to generate the image. Higher steps typically result in more refined details. Geometry scale is a parameter that increases the influence of the skybox's shape in the image. If you need to emphasize the 360-degree format of the image, raise this value to achieve the desired effect. Now, let's generate some images to explore the results. You can see that the images have been generated based on the chosen prompt and style. These are low-resolution previews, allowing you to quickly generate multiple skyboxes before selecting the best ones to enhance for a polished final result. The seed acts as a unique identifier for the generation. Changing the seed creates a new variation, while keeping it the same ensures consistent outputs across multiple generations. You can notice in the examples that the overall composition of the images remains very similar due to the seed, while reflecting the changes made in the prompt. To create a more accurate skybox, you can use a visual reference to guide the process. Scenario's Skybox tool supports depth maps, which keep spatial proportions accurate, and structure maps, which help match specific layouts or patterns. For example, combining a specific depth map with your prompt lets you generate a skybox that closely follows the depth of the reference. From here, you can easily iterate by reloading parameters, reusing prompts, or adding reference images to refine and discover the best previews. Remember to proceed incrementally, compare results, and make adjustments as needed to achieve optimal outcomes. Review the skybox quality by checking the horizon, centered horizontally in the middle, poles, and any visible seams. This ensures the environment looks natural when viewed in 360 degrees. After identifying the best previews, it's time to enhance them to improve details, resolution, and style while maintaining the original composition. Start by clicking Enhance. Then, you can refine your prompt to focus on style as well as finer details. For example, if your skybox preview has a 3D cartoon style, include a matching style description to ensure higher stylistic consistency. Choose an upscale factor, but be aware that higher scale factors like 8x will lead to the highest resolution, but also longer generation. After finalizing your skybox, Scenario makes it easy to organize your work. Add tags and save it to a collection, or export it for seamless integration into platforms like Unity. Skyboxes generated with Scenario are fully game engine ready. Now, Let's see how easy it is to import a Skybox into Unity with just a few steps. First, drag or add your enhanced Skybox to the Assets folder. Select the image, and in the inspector, set the texture shape to cube. Then, uncheck Generate Bitmaps. Change the filter mode to point, and remove the image compression. Click Apply to save these changes. Next, create a new material and set its shader to Skybox Cube Map. Drag your Skybox image into the Cube Map slot of the material. Finally, apply the material to your scene by dragging it into the viewport. Don't forget to enable the Skybox option in the viewport settings. Your Skybox is now ready to use, opening up countless possibilities for game development and immersive experiences. With Scenario, creating high-quality Skyboxes has never been easier. Experiment with prompts, guide compositions with references, and enhance your work to perfection. Check out our other tutorials in the Knowledge Center for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.